So, guys, Chrysler 300C, and this is the owner of it. He's going to tell us what's in it.
It's a 6.1 that we bored out to a 6.2. Got 10.5 to 1 compression pistons, forged rods, forged crank, and the whole bottom end's been blueprinted and balanced.
So it's pushing about how much horsepower, you think?
Well, we're still tuning it. I think it's somewhere around 600.
Nice. Here it is right there. 2006 Chrysler 300C. 6.2 liter bored out. Right there, you can see the orange in it. Nothing stock other than the power steering. Everything else has been redone. It's got long tube headers he put on. And then it's got a 3-inch system that he's put on with an X pipe. 3-inch continues. And then we put 2 Flow FX by Flowmaster. He wanted to quieten it down a little bit. It was a little bit too loud for him. So we slapped on 2 Flowmaster Flow FXs. Then 3-inch continues. And he's got 2 mufflers made by BB Performance. Right there and right there. But the problem with them is it's still droning, guys, so we might have to take those off. But for the time being, he's going to enjoy it for a little while, see if he likes it. If it's still annoying, he's going to bring it back. We're going to put 2 stock resonators on it. So you might see this car on the channel again, okay? But for the time being, here it is. And there's the 2 pipe we cut off right there that was on it. And put the Flow FXs in their place. All right, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. It sounds too good, so give me gas. Yeah, it's perfect tone for it. Honestly, I think they might help enough. They might be enough for it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 103. Again. Back it out. Oh, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You don't see that every day. Look at this beauty. Woo! Very nice. And it's cleanly done. I like the way you guys did it. It's really clean.
Try to keep it looking stock.
Yeah. Nice. They're not a dead giveaway, no. Not at all. No. I love builds like this. It's so beautiful. Hopefully he'll put on a show for us, guys. Let's see. Think he's gonna go beast mode? Let's see. So a little bit of that 600 horses. Yes! Beautiful. Woo! Beast mode doesn't disappoint.